Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the basics now: account info, branch, and city. Open Bank Muscat's official app or call customer service to avoid errors. This is faster and secure. Next, look at your bank statement or online profile for outgoing international payments. Many systems list the SWIFT there. Understand why format matters. 8 characters points to main office, 11 includes branch code, because entering the wrong one delays transfers. Once done, note the exact letters and case. SWIFT codes are case-insensitive, but typed accurately. Now verify the code using the bank's internal tools. Open the app, go to Settings or International Transfers and search for SWIFT or BIC. The app often lists both main and branch codes. If unclear, call the branch directly and read the code back to confirm. Ask for both the 8-character and the 11-character variants, if available. Also cross-check the code appearing on bank statements, invoice remittance sections, or saved beneficiaries. This reduces mismatch risk and prevents returned funds or extra fees. Finish by entering the SWIFT exactly as given into your transfer form and confirm recipient name and account number. Include IBAN if the country requires it. Make a small test transfer when possible. This limits exposure and verifies routing. If the transfer is rejected or delayed, gather the transaction ID, timestamps, and any error messages, then call Bank Muscat support and your sending bank. This speeds resolution. One troubleshooting tip: if code mismatch occurs, request the bank to reissue a corrected instruction or trace the payment immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.